Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to MD Arman Computer Institute. Today I will show you how to add fetch border and fetch color in MS Word. Okay, let's open our Word file. I already mentioned here something as per today subject. Okay, so we will work on it. When you put fetch border, go to design. Okay, then there is one option fetch border. Okay, see right side last, click here, if you need a thick line only, you can click here, just click here, by click only, click here and say okay. See, it is border now. Okay, if you need little dark and big, you can click here and say okay. See, it is big. Also you can make it color. Again go fetch border. Okay, there is one option for color. Now it is automatic, so you have to click here, then which color you want, you have to select it. For example, I will select this color for now, just I want to show you, then say okay. See, it is now color it. Okay, then I will show you how to fetch color. Okay, so go to near left side, fetch border left side, there is one option is name called fetch color. So click here, and which color you want, just you have to click it. Okay, very easy, very simple. Again go here, and which color you want, just you have to select it. See, when I put the culture, see, it is automatically changing. See, look at here, very nice, right? See, very nice. So see, very nice. If you don't want, okay, go again there and put white color only. All right guys, also you can make this this border. If you don't want border, you can no need border, non-border. Okay, so click okay. See, there is no border right now. Okay, it is like this, very easy. Thank you very much for watching.